Today I'm going to show you how to edit and delete an observation and also how to filter the observation list page. So what I've done first is I've come in and I've clicked on the tab Observation List so you can see all the observations that have been done. And we're going to talk about the filtering at the top first. So as you can see, observation ID, that's the number that's listed right here to the left-hand side. If you're looking for a specific one, you can easily type that number into this little box, hit search, then it'll search that list for that observation ID number. If you do not want that observation ID in there anymore, just delete it, hit search again, and that list will repopulate the way it was. The second thing over on this observation list page is the date range. It's pretty simple to just click on the box and you have these choices that are already defaulted into there. You can also do a custom date range by clicking on that and entering the date range you want in these two boxes right there. Once you're done entering those, hit apply and then search, then it will search that grid for those dates. As we go over to the right hand side of the page, you're going to see this drop down right here. We're going to discuss this a little bit more when we do the filters. So I'm going to wait and I'm going to click on this filter button right here. So you can see in here, this filter button shows all the different areas you can filter by. So maybe you're only wanting to look for one organizational unit, just Hortons. You can easily do that by hitting the org unit you want, clicking Update Current Filter, and now you can see there's only two in there. I'm going to go back in, remove that, hit Update Filter again, and show you a few more things. So let's say you want to set that filter so it's always that way. So you always want Horton in there and also Kansas City. I would come up here, I'd rename it Horton and Kansas City Observations possibly. Then you're going to come down here and there's a different button I want you to pick. You're going to pick this Save as New Filter. So once I save as new filter, you're going to see that this little drop down over here just changed because it's got that new filter saved in there. And then you can save as many of these filters as you want. So you can see in here we have quite a few already saved. As you look at this screen, you're going to notice over here on the right hand side there's a little arrow. If you click on that arrow, it will export this grid right here to Excel and PDF. This allows you to do some different filtering that you may want to do. Or you can also come into ours, click on these three little dots right here. You can sort things from ascending, descending, or you can take out columns that you don't think are necessary by easily clicking each one next to the ones you want to get rid of. Now, if you want to edit or delete an observation in this, you're going to come over to the left-hand side and click View next to the observation you want to edit or delete. As I click View, it will take me to this observation, and you will see up here there's a little trash can. This is how you delete this observation. You click this little trash can. If you want to edit this observation, you go in, make the edits, then you're going to want to make sure you click this Update button so that it keeps those edits and saves them. That is all for how to enter and edit and sort the observation list page. If you have any questions, you can contact your account manager. Thanks.